welcome. This is a short demo to demonstrate to you how this amazing software works. Okay, a few things that I want you to know about the software is that number one, this is not a school management software. Okay, it's a normal accounting stroke invoicing or bookkeeping software that can be used by any business. So my duty here is to teach you how to use this to run your school, to twerk it, to speak the language of your school. Another thing I want you to understand about the software is that this software you can use it to manage more than one business. Okay, so if you have like 2-3 schools, you can use it to manage it. If you have other business that you do, you can use it to manage it. With one email address, you can create up to 3 or 4 or 5 accounts, right? And you can also use another email address to create more accounts, so depending on what you want. All right, here is where you will register all your students. Every child in your school, you register all of them. Look at the ones I use for demonstration purpose. You can click here to register any child. If you want to see a particular pupils or students in a particular class, for instance, let's say I have a class called Basic 1 and I want to search and see only them. Look at all of them here. The receivables here you are seeing means if you see any figure here, means the child is owing you that amount of money. Okay, here is where you create the items that you want to bill students for. Look at the fees. Look at the fees. If there's any other thing that you sell in the school aside the school fees, okay, you can also register them there. This is where you can attend to new students, okay, prospective students. When they come, they want quotation. Oh, what do we pay? How do we do that? You can actually use here to give them the quotation and convert it to their bill once they're serious to register. Okay, and here is where you do the billing proper. This will show you all the fees, all the bills you've raised for a particular child. The overdue here you are seeing means, oh, the child is supposed to have paid you 2 days ago, but the child have not paid. Okay, look, you can filter it class by class. All right, if I want to see the status of those in basic, let me say those in basic 2, I want to see those who have paid and those who have not paid. Okay, this is just what I will do. Okay, here you see the status. Okay, you can, if you see paid, the child has paid. If it is overdue or pending, means the child is here to complete. Okay, and again, some parents might want to pay in advance. Let's say you are in second term, the parent might want to pay second and third term. Maybe the parents may not be around at that time, or the parent has some money. You don't need to say no. All you need to do is to collect it, and the software is so intelligent that it will not add that advance payment to your current income. Okay, you're going to use this retainer invoice to accept it, so that by the real term that the fees is supposed to apply, you just convert it to the bill of that particular time. Okay, and this is where you receive payment. Okay, because how this software works is that you can actually bill and receive money at the same time, but most times it's good that as the school is about to vacate, you bill every child what they're supposed to pay for next time and print it out or send it to the parents' WhatsApp so that they know. So as they're not coming, you come over here and receive payment, or from the students' portal, you can also receive their payment. It should show you the are you seeing whether it's cash or bank? Okay, depending on the one you selected. And if your fee does not change, like you charge same amount of money every term, you use recurring invoice to do that, so that it will keep recurring and without you rebilling the children again. All right, this is where you register all your expenses, whether it's expenses incurred on behalf of the school, the expenses that are incurred on behalf of parents that you want the parents to pay you back. Here is where you do that. Okay, there are so many amazing reports that you can run using this. This is just to show you around. I'm going to teach you how to use this software to run your school. For instance, you want to know your expected income. You've billed every child in your school for a particular period, and you want to know how much you expect to get by that term. It will show you. Okay, and as they're making payments, you want to know, oh, how much have I received based on the bank, depending on how you selected it. You are going to choose the period. It will show you, oh, if this particular month you've actually collected 200 out of the bills you've raised. Okay, I want to see those that are owing you, your balances with your students. You just come over here, you see them. All right, it's an amazing software. You want to see the total expenses you've incurred over the period. You just come over here and you can also run to see your total expenses. Okay, oh, it's telling us there is no expenses within the period that I've chosen, so it depends on how you've chosen that. There are so many amazing things you will do using this software. Then aside this wonderful invoicing and accounting software, I also created wonderful templates for you to use in tracking the in and out of your inventory of books, uniform and other materials that you have in your school. Okay, because as a school owner, most schools they sell books and uniforms separately, so you also use this software to sell them. But aside selling them, you want to know how many did I buy, how many did I sell, and what is remaining. The software will tell you how many you've sold, the quantity. Okay, you want to see the quantity of items that you have sold. Okay, you are going to see them here. The software will show you, like other things that the school that's selling, you see the quantity that have sold, but the software will not show you how many you purchased and what is remaining. So with that template, you'll be able to just get your report from the software, put the amount you've sold, you register the amount to purchase, and you see what is remaining. Aside that, there are other materials that you have, like your stationaries, your consumables, the toiletries that you buy, okay, for school. Most times you complain that the teachers are misusing it. You can actually use a template to organize how you issue that out. Okay, another thing is that he who fails to plan has already planned to fail. So one thing that a school owner you should be able to know how to do is how to do your budgeting. So I created a bonus video and a template to teach you how to do your budgeting, and giving yourself target and budget for your term, every term, income and expenses budgeting, and you'll be able to measure your performance to see whether you're moving forward or you're going back. Okay, so it's an amazing journey. Aside that, you also be in my close WhatsApp group where I mentor school owners, teach them what they should know as far as preserving and securing their finances is concerned. Thank you once again. Remember, the price is just 5,000 naira for now for me to teach you how to use this amazing software and other continue to mentor you as you belong to my group. I'm still yours, Amis Okamaka, your digital accountant. Thank you so much.